Hi, this is Mike with the Exaotuch demo team. In this video, we're going to discuss how to set up individual ingredient modifiers for a restaurant menu item. Now, just as a refresher, these modifiers differ from a required modifier in that we don't necessarily have to make a selection for these modifications, but they do allow more of a free-form open customization of different menu items based on a customer's request. Now, in order to set up these modifiers, we're going to go ahead and start it by logging in with our PIN number. We're going to navigate to our items module on the bottom right-hand side. And then we're going to come back into our categories module towards the left here. And we're going to, very similar to how we set up the required modifiers, navigate down to our mods category. And we're going to create another subcategory. Just as a reminder, these subcategories can act as a handy way to organize the different modifier choices that we have set up within the system, making them easier to assign to items down the line. So we're going to go ahead and create a new subcategory here for burger ingredients. And then we're going to go ahead and hit save. And we're going to back out to our item details module here. And very similar to how we set up the cook temp options here, we're going to go ahead and create a new item record, fill in our SKU number, and then we're going to start creating our individual ingredients that could make up a burger here. Now keep in mind, these options can be either $0 options, things like lettuce, tomato, pickle, onion that may be included in the price, or they can add to the price of the item, extra bacon, things like that. Again, go through a very similar process, creating our modifier list. With that modifier flag, we're going to go ahead and find our mods category here again, and burger ingredients auto fills in for us here. We're going to go through, create a few more ingredients here. So we'll use that save and duplicate process to easily recreate our different items here. We'll do tomato, we'll duplicate, we'll do pickle, we'll do mayonnaise, we'll just say mayo, and we'll continue through for ketchup. And we'll do one more with mustard here. Now that we've got our individual ingredients created within our burger ingredient subcategory, let's go back out to the register screen and we'll navigate back to that All-American Burger like we did before. We'll ring that through. We do have that required modifier set up, so we're going to go ahead and make that selection. Then we're going to use our info button here to navigate back to the All-American Burger record. Now, again, very similar to the required modifiers, we'll come back to our modifiers tab. We'll select our mods category and our burger ingredients subcategory here. And then we're going to use the arrow to pull those options over. Now, again, similar to the required modifiers, all those ingredients do come in as non-required here within the required category. If there's nothing else we want to change here, we can go ahead and hit save, and those will now be attached to our All-American Burger. If we back out to our register screen here, we'll go ahead and refresh our burger category. And once we do so, of course, we'll see our cook temp here with our required modifier that we set up previously. And then to get to our ingredient modifiers, we'll hit the mods button, and it will bring us to our optional modifier window. You'll notice here down the middle, we have some different commands already set up. We'll touch on how to customize those in another video. But these commands allow us to give specific directions to the kitchen on what we would like on our burger. So if we want to say something like hold the mayo, extra lettuce, light on the ketchup, we can do so. Once we've made all of our selections here, we'll hit the Save Mods button. We'll see that that's added to our All-American Burger. And just like before, if we send that order off to the kitchen, we'll see those details on our kitchen ticket here.